Hello everyone, and welcome back to your factory's channel. Today we are visiting Guangzhou Surface Finishing Electroplating and Coating Exhibition 2026. This exhibition was surprisingly quiet, but can a small trade show still reveal where an industry is heading? Let's find out. One of the first machines that caught my attention was this mirror grinding system near the entrance. Surface preparation is often the starting point of many finishing processes, and the final quality of a coating frequently depends on how well the surface is prepared beforehand. The sales representative gave a detailed introduction, which made the machine even more interesting to explore. As I continued walking around the exhibition hall, I noticed something appearing again and again. Coating thickness measurement instruments seem to be everywhere. That observation tells us something important about the industry. Today, manufacturers are not only focused on applying coating efficiently, they are also paying increasing attention to quality control and process consistency. After all, coating that is too thin may not provide enough protection, while a coating that is too thick can increase production costs. This booth also left a good impression on me. The representative explained the products in a very professional and practical way. I even received a small souvenir from him, a portable fan. Sometimes these brief conversations are one of the most valuable parts of visiting a trade show. Equipment is important, but the people behind the technology are equally important. Next, we came across an automated spraying system. Machines like these have become increasingly common at industrial exhibitions. The challenge is about more than just productivity. In many coating processes, operators may be exposed to paint particles, solvents, or other potentially harmful materials. Automation can help improve safety, reduce labor requirements, and deliver more consistent results. This is the direction that many manufacturers seem to be moving toward. Here we had a metal tube polishing machine. Watching it operate raised an interesting question. Would this level of efficiency be sufficient for large-scale production? Of course, every application is different. But when evaluating equipment, buyers often have to balance productive investment costs, maintenance requirements, and product quality. Those trade-offs are rarely simple. By the time I reached this area of the exhibition, several exhibitors had already begun dismantling their booths. Today was the final day of the show, and it was only a little afternoon. The visitor traffic appeared relatively light. However, in industrial exhibitions, the number of visitors doesn't always tell the whole story. Sometimes a single serious buyer can create more value than dozens of casual visitors. Before leaving, I took one final photo of the exhibition hall. Although the event was not particularly large, it still provided useful snapshots of the industry. The strongest impression I took away was the growing focus on automation, quality control, and production efficiency. These are trends that continue to shape the future of surface finishing and coating technologies. That's all for today's exhibition visit. If there are any products, manufacturing process, factories, or trade shows you'd like us to explore in future videos, please let us know. Our contact information is shown below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.